May 28, 2022, the Honda GVC 190. There's the inside of the base of the float bowl after I totally cleaned it yesterday. Cleaned the floats, cleaned the carb. I'm gonna have to run a lot of gas through there. Look at that. It's like it's molded in, and all I did was try and start it about 10 times. And I'm gonna get access to the carburetor behind here and remove the jet. I didn't remove the jet and clean that out. But that's nasty. That's like chocolate syrup. Look at that. Are you nuts? Are you kidding me? Drain the fuel out of your damn machine if you're not going to use it for 3 days. Don't let it sit for a couple of years like this one. Adios.